Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video we covered web search, quick live answers to your questions. Today we will discuss the powerful version of that, research mode. This is where Claude stops being a quick answer tool and becomes a full research analyst, running dozens of searches, reading through tons of sources, and handing you a complete cited report. If you have got a big question that would normally take you hours of digging, this is the feature for you. Let's get into it. So what makes research different from a normal search? When you ask a normal question with web search, Claude does a quick search and answers. Research is on a whole other level. In research mode, Claude works agentically. It runs multiple searches that build on each other, decide what to investigate next as it goes, explores different angles of your question automatically, and then pulls everything together into a thorough, well-organized report with citations. Basically, it does the kind of digging a human research assistant would do, but in minutes instead of hours. A couple of quick requirements. First, research is a paid plan feature, so you will need Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. It works on the web, desktop, and mobile. And second, this one is important, web search has to be working for research to function, since that's how it gathers information. So make sure you're set up to search the web, like we covered in the last video. Turning it on is easy. In your chat, click the plus button in the bottom left, then click Research. You will see a blue indicator appear at the bottom of the chat window. That means research mode is active. And if you want to switch it off later, just click that indicator again. That's it. Okay, research is on. You are ready to research. Let's run one. I will ask something meaty. Research the best project management tools for small teams in 2026. Compare the top 5 on pricing, key features, ease of use, and common complaints, and recommend the best option for a 10% team. Now watch what happens. Claude doesn't just fire back an answer, it shows you its progress as it works. It's searching, rating sources, and building up its findings step by step. This takes a bit longer than a normal answer, usually a few minutes, and for really big topics, it can run much longer. That's normal. It's doing real work, so let it cook. And here's the payoff. Claude delivers a full, structured report organized into clear sections with comparison laid out and a recommendation at the end. And see all the citations throughout. Every claim links back to its source, so you can click through and verify anything. This isn't a vague summary, it's a genuine research document you could actually use for a decision. This is the single most important skill for research, so listen up. The quality of your report depends almost entirely on the quality of your prompt. A vague prompt gets a vague report, so be specific. 3 things to include: a role or goal, like act as a market analyst, the exact scope, what to compare, how many options, over what time frame, and the format you want, a comparison table, a summary with pros and cons, a recommendation. So instead of research marketing tools, you would say act as a marketing consultant. Compare top 4 email marketing platforms. For small businesses in 2026 on price, features, and ease of use. Give me a pros and cons breakdown and a final recommendation. Night and day difference. Here's a powerful bonus. Research doesn't only use the web. If you have connected things like your Google Drive, Gmail, or Calendar, Claude can pull from those too and combine them with what it finds online. You just steer it, say something like, pull relevant context from my Google Drive as part of your request, so you could have Claude research a topic online and cross-reference it against your own documents. That's where it gets seriously useful for real work. Quick guide on when to actually use this. For a simple fact or a quick current answer, just ask normally. No research needed, but reach for research mode when you have got a big, multi-part question, comparing several options, gathering info from lots of sources, building a report, or making a real decision. If you had normally opened 15 browser tabs to figure out something, that's your sign to use research instead. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, make your prompt specific and detailed. Rules, scope, and format, that's the whole game. Second, be patient. Research takes a few minutes because it's doing real deep work. Third, always check the citations. The sources are right, so verify the important stuff. Fourth, connect your own tools like Drive or Gmail to research across both the web and your own files. And fifth, save research for the big questions. For quick stuff, normal search is faster. And that's the research mode. And that's the end of this entire series. If you have followed along from the start, you now know Claude inside out. You can set up your account, navigate interface, choose the right model, organize your chats, use memory build project and knowledge bases, create artifacts, work with cowork, analyze documents and images, search the web, and now run deep research. That's genuinely everything you need to use Claude like a pro. Thank you so much for watching this whole series. If it helped you, the best thing you can do is hit subscribe and share it with someone who is just getting started with AI. I will be back with more, so stay tuned, drop a like, leave any question in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye.